I believe that SBS's product is world-class. It competes on that international stage and meets all the criteria. We have our tanks installed around the world, from North America, Central and South America, sub-Saharan Africa, the Middle East, Southeast Asia. SBS is very conveniently located in the city of Durban, which is home to Africa's largest port and one of the busiest ports in the Southern Hemisphere. We truly cherish our customers around the world. We make the effort to travel to them and to get to know them a little bit better. We understand what happens in these individual markets and we tailor our approach to add value to our customers. We have a look at countries by their water scarcity. Water is going to be an incredibly scarce commodity. It's also good to know that we combat the scarcity of water moving forward. We're a proudly South African company, but we are very adaptable and flexible to the international market. SBS has got a lot of happy, satisfied customers around the world.